اتفضلي يا راشد.
Okay, so 1 second, because for me your screen is black.
It's black. And also you, Lian,
Sir, I can see your screen.
you can see it.
Wait, sir, maybe I need to
Yes.
refresh.
اعمل ريفرش يا حبيبي.
Okay.
طيب. What about you, Lian? We have in this graph two functions. The first one, which is y, equals x squared. And the second one, which is represented by 2x squared plus x minus 8 equals 0. Hmm. How we can get x squared from this equation? We have to isolate the x squared. 2x
Remove
squared.
the X and the 8.
Yeah, we have to remove the x and the negative 8. The negative 8 removed to the right by positive, and the x by its negative sign. So 2x squared equals
Minus X plus 8. Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Mr. Adel. Layan, can you hear me?
No, he's
yes يا
muted.
شباب معاكم يا بابا.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sir, maybe we take so to be negative X and 8.
Good. Negative x plus 8.
Yeah.
But we have to get x squared only. So we
So
have
we
to
just
remove the 2. Hmm. Over 2 for the first term. Over 2 here. Over 2 also here. So x squared equals, this is negative 1x over 2, which is negative 1 over 2 x plus 4. So y will be negative 1 over 2 x plus 4. So now you have two functions. The first one is the quadratic function, and the second one is the linear function, which is representing by straight line. The first one, it's upward, and the second one is straight line. The straight line and the function intersecting where? At these 2 points, which representing what? Here, x. X here is what? Negative 2.2, and here 1.7 مثلا. So negative 2.2 and 0, and here 1.7 and 0. So the solution set will be negative 2.2 and 1.7. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Also, how we can get it? We can get it by using factorization for this function. Did you know what's the meaning of factorize?
Mm, when you
We have to change this as the product
yeah,
of two factors.
when you make the equation shorter,
Huh?
like two
Yeah.
different brackets.
Yeah, very good. Did you know how we can factorize it? By
Uh,
using calculator يا سيدي. Huh? Can you do it? تعال نشوف بالكالكوليتر نعملها ازاي. You will press mode, then equation, which is number 5, and you choose ax squared plus bx plus 3, which is 3. A here is 2, 2 equal, then 1 equal, then negative 8 equal, then press equal, x equal negative 1 plus root 65 over 4, Write this number يا راشد أنت وليان. -1 root 65 over 4
Wait,
and
sir, which number?
x2, this number.
Okay.
And the second one, -1 minus root 65 over 4. If we want to represent it by a decimal, just press SD. It will be -2.26, and it means -2.3 as we wrote it here. Okay?
Sir,
Hmm.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What's it called? Are like in the final exams, are we
Yeah.
allowed to use decimals or no?
ممكن تقرب صوتك شوية يا راشد؟
Sir, in our final exams, are we allowed to use Desmos?
Yes, but I didn't know if it is acceptable for you, but you can use the calculator. Desmos we have already, we use it in the digital set. But in the IG or the British, we use a scientific calculator only in Excel.
Oh,
But Desmos, we cannot use it in the final exam. Okay?
okay.
Right. Draw a create graph y equal x squared from -4 to 4. Use the graph to solve this equation. تعال نجرب مع بعض. y equal x squared. أنا هفتح بس paper graph معاكم يا شباب. And the first equation x squared minus 5. Okay?
Yeah.
y equal x squared. And the values of x from what to what? From -4 to 4. X starting from -4 to 4. Did you know what did it means?
It's an inequality.
No. You have to draw this function صح؟
Yeah.
فالفانكشن دي حضرتك المفروض بتحدد لها بوينت. ماشي؟ وبتروح عامل لها ايه؟ join. فانت محتاج تحدد البوينت دي ازاي؟ هنعمل ايه بقى دلوقتي يا دكتور؟ هنعمل تيبل ظريف كده. In this table, we have to get the values of y when we substitute in the function by x equals starting from -4 and ending at 4. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. X and Y. This is the starting point or the starting values of X. And the 4 is the ending values of X. Okay? Start means from -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get Y. First, when X equal -4, the Y will be what? Y will be what?
When x is -4,
Y will be -4 power 2, which is 16.
so 16.
Okay? طب when Y equal -3 يا ليان, Y will be what?
9.
9. Good. يلا كل واحد يقول لي نمبر بقى. -2 راشد بسرعة.
-2 would be 4.
4. ليان
1.
1. Good. 0.
0.
1.
1.
Good. 2.
4.
3.
9.
9. Good. 4.
16.
Good. What do you notice in the table? Huh? What do you notice? you will find that the vertex here is the point which bisect the values of y into two coincide data. The left data of 0, it's similar to the right data of 0. So the vertex here is what? Is 0 and 0. Okay?
So wherever the points are the same,
Yeah,
but
around the
then what?
vertex. Around the vertex. The values of
Oh,
y, it's the same on the right like on the left from the vertex. Okay?
okay.
So negative 4 and 16, we have to draw negative 4. على فكرة ممكن نعمل التيبل ده من الكالكوليتر بمنتهى البساطة. شايفين ممكن اعملها ازاي؟ اقول لكم برضو طريقة بالكالكوليتر.
How?
بص حبيبي، هتدوس مود وتختار table which is 7. هيقول لك fx here it means y. fx is what? is x squared. يعني بيقول لك اكتب لي الفانكشن بتاعتك. فاقول له الفا x squared. تمام. وبعدين هدوس equal. هيقول لي الستارت بتاعتك كانت كام. هو كاتب الستارت هنا كام على الكالكوليتر؟
1.
1. لا، الستارت هنا في الداتا اللي هو مديها لي كانت كام؟
-4.
يبقى انا هكتب نيجاتيف 4 وادوس equal. هيقول لي طب الاند بتاعتك قد ايه؟ This is 5, but the end here in the exercise is what? 4. So we have to correct it 4 equal. Step 1, يعني the first step, he will make the table. X here when it's negative 4, the Y becomes what? fx اهي. شايف x fx يعني x and y. X when it is negative 4, the Y 16. X when negative 3, the Y is what? Can you see it or not?
Yeah, 16
Huh?
and then
9. 9. When x negative 2, the Y will be what? 4. Move down. Huh? When x is negative 1, the y is 1. When x is 0, the y is 0, and so on. Okay? When x is 1, the y is 1. When x is 2, the y is 4. When x is 3, the y is 9. When x is 4, the y is 16. So this, we can use, or we can form the table from the graph or from the calculator by easy way. Okay?
okay.
Now we have to represent this point on the graph to represent the function. Negative 4 and 16. It's up to here. Negative 3 and 9. Negative 3 and move up to 9. Negative 2 and 4. Negative 1 and 1. 0 and 0. 1 and 1. 2 and 4. 3 and 9. You will find that any point on the left had an image on the right by reflected on y-axis. Can you see it? This point, it's reflect. This point, it's reflect. It's image. And the last one, 4 and 16, it's the opposite point for this point. Now we have to join this point together. You have to join it. Okay. Type. Now we have to solve the function which is x squared minus 5 equals 0. This means that x squared equals what? Yeah, Layan.
Jerry, your voice is laggy for me.
What?
Your voice is lagging.
Yeah, even me. Even for me, your voice is laggy.
My voice is what?
It's like lagging.
Tab, can you see it? Can you hear me now?
Lagging.
Tab, now.
Sure, even I'm having troubles with like the internet. I don't know why.
Habibi, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
طيب.
It's better now.
انت اللي كان عندك مشكلة وخرجتي ودخلتي. طيب. What about here? X squared minus 5 equals 0. What about the x squared? Yeah, Layan. يا ليان.
Yes.
Answer me, Baba. X squared minus 5 equals 0. So x squared will be what?
Kind of confused on that.
What?
What do you mean by x squared? So you
Habibi.
move 5 to the other side?
Yes. Take the negative 5
Well,
to the right side by its positive sign. So x
so
squared will
5.
be what? 5. Okay? X squared, he gave you that it's y. So y equals 5. How we can draw the line which represent y equal 5 يا شباب?
We just have to draw a straight line
Yeah.
from the fifth, like on the 5.
At y equals 5 here.
Yeah.
Y equals 5 here. This is a
Mm.
line which represents y equals 5. Okay?
Okay.
This is the line which represents y equals 5. تمام?
Yeah.
It's intersect with the parabola at these 2 points. So to get the value of x here, when we have x squared equals 5, what are the values of x? We have to take square root, right? So x will be what? Positive and negative root 5. And this means that the intersection point here, it's representing at this point and this point. If we calculate root 5, you will find that root 5, it's at the decimal equals, تعالى كده نشوف مع بعض. Mode 1 to change the mode of the calculator. Root 5. This is in the form of the root equals root 5. Press SCD. It will be 2.2, which is this point. Okay? And when it is negative, it's a negative 2.2. So the solution set will be what? Approximately positive and negative 2.2, which is this point. Negative 2.2, and this point is positive 2 and 2.2. Okay? You understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. Layan, did you have any question?
No, sir.
You have any question, Baba?
No, I understand it.
No. Okay. طيب. What about if x squared plus 2x minus 7 equals 0? Also, we have the same function, but the second function that we have to get its solution set will be what? نمسح نعمل delete لكل ده. It's the same function يا شباب، بس هنا مديني ايه؟ x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is the second function. X squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Huh? Who can do this? Who can do this, حبايبي? We have to get x squared. This means that we have to isolate the x squared. Huh? What we have to do? Rashid.
Oh, sorry, sir. I didn't realize I was muted. What I was trying to say is it would be x equals 4x plus negative 4.
This means that x squared equals positive 4x minus 4. Good. X squared here, it's y. So y will be 4x minus 4. Can you tell me how we can draw this line?
Y equals 4x plus 4.
What?
Y equals 4x minus 4.
Y equals 5 minus 4?
No, I know how to draw the line.
No.
Uh, First we have to draw like the Y, like where it intercepts the Y axis.
The y-intercept here is what?
-4.
Good, bravo. And the gradient here is what?
The gradient here is 4x.
It's 4 over 1,
Yeah.
which is, we draw here, just a minute. ممكن نرسم دي هنا كده. -3 and 9. -2 and 4. 2 and 1. Hmm. The y-intercept here is -4. So we have to plot a point at -4, y equal -4. Then the gradient, it's 4 over 1. This means that rise over run. We have to move up 4 step and move to the right 1 step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then move to the right 1 step. So this is the second point that we have to draw. It will be here. Then the line that we have to draw will be like this. Huh. It's intersect with the parabola at what?
Only
At one,
intersect at one point.
at one point here,
Yeah.
which is opposite to the x equals what?
Uh, that's 2/4. 2/4.
It's opposite to this point at x equals 2. Okay. طب لو حبينا نعملها by factorization، تعال نجرب كده بالكالكوليتر. مود 53 مود 53 مود sorry مود 53. A is 1, which is the coefficient of x square. B is -4. And C is 4. Then equal, just he give you x only, not x1 and x2, x equals 2. So the value of x that make this function to be 0, which is x equals 2. Okay? Which is the intersection point between the line and the curve. You understand it?
Yeah.
Right. يعني if I give you one exercise, can you do it? Alone? You and Layan? Huh?
Yeah, I don't mind trying.
Okay, try to do number 2. It's so easy. Number 2.
Okay. Sir, can you make an empty green box under it?
What?
Can you make like an empty green box?
Okay,
So we
okay. But right here, x squared minus x minus 2.
Okay.
And this is the box, what you want to do. Okay. And the equation, which represents x squared minus x minus 2. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. We have to get the solution set. Yeah, try to do it. Can you tell me, Layan, how you will get the x squared?
What I did is I moved the negative x and the negative 2 to the other
Okay,
side.
so x squared will be what?
X squared is equal to positive x plus 2.
Good. If I asking you how we can draw the y equals x plus 2.
You put
The
it
y-intercept is
where
what?
the y-intercept is 2.
Good. So you have to plot a point here. And the gradient here is what?
1/1.
Good. This means that you have to move up one step and move to the right one step, right?
Mhm.
So this is the second point. So the line that representing this function, it's the line which passing through these 2 points together, right?
Mhm.
It's intersect with the parabola at what? At also this point, which opposite here to x equals what?
2.
2, and x here is what?
-1.
Good. So the solution set or the values of
Negative
x
2.
is what? Is 2 and
Negative
-1. طب how we can do it with calculator or by factorization? We have to factorize this equation which represents x squared minus 1x minus 2 equals 0 by factorize it into two factors. شباب السيشن هيفصل هنعمل join تاني حبايبي because we lose a lot of time before in the starting of the session. Okay? We will join again يا راشد عشان
Okay.
ليان هي اللي بتعمل join وانت بايه بتطير. اوكي ماشي حبيبي. Okay,
Yeah.
equal 0. طيب x squared it means what? X and x. In this case, we have to use your mind. What is the numbers that multiply together give you 2 and their difference give you 1? Huh?
2 and 1.
2 and 1, very good. 2 and 1. And the difference between them, 2 minus 1 give you -1. مش كده ولا ايه؟ I'll give you 1. What about the sign? When the third term, which is 2, is negative, so the two signs in the bracket are different. The big one, which is 2, is take the sign of the second. So this is negative and this is positive. Now we have two factors, their product equals 0. This means that either x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. In the first equation, it's give you that x equals what? Huh? Tell me يا شباب. Equals 2 and the second one x will be what?
-1.
Good. So the solution set يا بابا or the two values of x that make this function to be 0 when x equals 2 and when x equals what? -1. ده معناه ايه يا راشد؟ When you substitute in this equation by x equals 2 you will find that the result at the end will be 0. تعالى كده نجرب. 2 power 2 minus 2 minus 2 it will be what? 2 power 2 which is 4 minus 2 minus 2 it means 4 minus 4 which is 0. Also if you substitute instead of x by -1 so it will be what? -1 power 2 minus minus 1 which is +1 minus 2. This is 1 plus 1 minus 2 give you what? 1 and 1 is 2 minus 2 give you 0. So when you substitute instead of x by -1 and by 2 this means that give you the function equal 0. Okay? Huh? Did you confuse also or not?
No.
Okay طيب نجرب ناخد واحدة كمان يا شباب. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. ايه رأيك تعالى نغير شكل الفانكشن ولا نثبت في دماغكم دي في الأول؟ طيب what about uh, number 5 I think this is the same question. Number 3 here. 3. Hmm. Can you see it? معايا يا حبايبي ولا ايه؟
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Okay.
Sir, can you go back to the graph?
Okay. Can you tell me the equation? The equation that you have to solve? Can
Sir,
you
I
tell?
didn't memorize. I thought you
What?
had it.
ايه؟
I didn't memorize the equation. I thought you had it.
حبيبي اهي. x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. X
Yeah.
squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0.
X squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
يلا. Try to do it alone.
Okay.
When you have finished, raise your hand. Okay. Tell me, Alayan, what you did.
What I did first of all is I moved the negative 4x and positive 4 to the other side.
Okay. So x squared.
So is equal to positive 4x minus 4.
Nice. Good. This means that y equals 4x minus 4. That's right. If you draw the line which represents this function, you will plot the y-intercept is what?
Minus 4.
Good. And the gradient will be what?
4 over 1.
Good. Move 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right step 1. مش كده? You will find that it's the same line that we drew in before, which is this line that intersect with the parabola at what? At this point, which opposite to the x-axis at x equals a.
2.
2. Very good. تمام؟ طب if you want to check your answer, take the equation and factorize it. Can you tell me how we can do the factorization, يا راشد? We will open two brackets.
We open two brackets, and then
X
it will
squared will
be
be what?
x minus 2 and x
X and
plus.
X. X and X. And
Yeah.
4. What is the two number that their product is 4 and their sum is 4?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. That's right. So we have to write here 2 and here also 2. What about the sign? When the third term is positive, so the two sign in the bracket, the same.
One is negative and one is positive.
No. The same, like the sign of the second one. The same, like the sign of the second one. So it will be negative and negative.